Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Sadiq, and I got this Gameboy Pocket which has a burnt polarizer. I believe the console works. Yeah, as you heard from there, the console works, but the screen has a big burn in the center, and it's supposedly very simple to replace the polarizer. I've never done it before, so this will be my first attempt. And yeah, so let's begin by dismantling the Gameboy Pocket. So you got 6 tri-wing screws, 2 in the battery compartment. There's 3 crosshead screws. And the screen ribbon needs to come out. And that's the whole board come out. So we need to take the screen out, and we can, oh look at that, the lens just fell out by itself. It's a little bit of adhesive. I'll try and keep that intact. Now, as far as I'm aware, there is a polarizing film that's stuck to the screen, and we need to cut that off. So I've got this blade, so we can cut into it from the corner. Oh, I don't want to be risking that, so I'll start on this corner. It's just crumbling apart. It's really badly burnt. Okay, so now I'm going to be just using a cotton bud with IPA to clean it off as much as I can. Well, it needs to be sparkling clean. Alright, so that looks pretty clean. I think I got everything off. Alright, so let's test it on the system. So we need to connect it to the motherboard again. Put it in the back half so we can put the batteries in. So we know it's on now. And this is all we need to put in. It's best to find the best orientation. So all I need to do is cut a piece that's measured to the screen. Yeah, so that's what I'll do now. Alright, so I'm going to give it a final wipe. I don't think I see any bubbles. But there's another protective film over this top piece. Looks good to me. Perfect. Alright, time to reassemble it. Oh, see, now I do see some bubbles. Let's get the bubbles out. There were some stubborn bubbles. I did manage to get most of them out, but there's I can't always see it, but there is some very minor imperfections in the right light, but it's mostly, I would say it's 99% there. And I will go with that and reassemble. So I'm just doing everything in reverse now. That bit should still be a bit tacky. And it shouldn't just drop out. So I need to apply a little bit of glue on this. And what I'm going to do is I got some of this stuff. It's electronics repair tape, double-sided tape, and it's in thin strips, so I can put a piece on each side. Because before that, I'll give it a wipe. I think it came out pretty nice. Let me know what you think in the comments. And so that was me installing a new polarizing filter for the Gameboy Pocket. If you want to see more like this, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, give it a like, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.